Hi, myself Vijayalakshmi. I am coming from Tamil Nadu. I am studying in NTTF Peenya in tool design and digital manufacturing. I am placed in Carl Zeiss company and my package is 3 lakhs. This is the German company. Thanks to NTTF, this opportunity is giving for NTTF. I studied more things. I learned more things in NTTF. That is the machines and technical words. How can I speak? Communicate other people's. NTTF, I learned three years in NTTF. One is mold and another one is press tool. I take mold. Mold is the plastic components, and my group mates and me, we are choosing the one project, that is one big project. We are completed successfully that project. Mostly I thanks to one person in the NTTF, Manoj sir. He will be one person to supported for my life, and thank you for my family also support for my studies. Any girls interested to the NTTF, please can join and take supports and grow your futures. Thank you. In my future plan is I get on good entrepreneur in the world. Thanks.
Myself Shivam. I am the husband of the Vijayalakshmi. Basically I am completed mechanical engineering. Now I am working in the application engineer in one of the Indian manufacturing company. So I basically completed diploma in tool and die. After that I completed in mechanical engineering in Madurai. So my experience, I got the good opportunities in these futures of hydraulics and industrial mechanical oriented. So after marriage completed, my wife also, my wife wise I am explained, this is the future of in mechanical. Have the huge scope in the mechanical in girls. So she is also liked to study that mechanical engineering. So that time I got the NTTF is a very short period course in very good exposure place. So both we went to the campus BTC. We are discussed about that tool and die department related. So they are very proud to explain each and everything. Then they are told please join, we are supported. So in that particular years only 2 girls are joined in mechanical tool and die. After the second they are started to pursuing the education. Next year lot of girls are joined. That is a good news for NTTF. And now she is got the placement for Carl Zeiss in German based company. Very proud moment now. Our family also given the good supports to Vijayalakshmi. So what I am going to tell you, every girls have the very good opportunity in mechanical. So please come to join in NTTF. At least you can complete the any industrial course related for a mechanical tool and die and digital manufacturing, computer science. Lot of departments are there. Which one you can like? Please join and get the good placements and futures. So we have a good opportunities in NTTF. So every teachers and faculties wise, thank you for everyone.